Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. International Primary Science Class 2. Assalamu alaikum. I am teacher Kaneez Bhatti from Multan Public School and College. Chapter number 2, Magnets. Open your books to page number 30. Our main points for discussion are: number 1, magnetic materials; number 2, non-magnetic materials; number 3, can magnetic attraction pass through all materials? Magnetic materials. Materials which can be attracted or pulled by magnets are called magnetic materials. For example, iron and steel. Let's watch video. Magnetic materials. All these are magnetic materials. Some of these are made up of iron and some are of steel. Let's check one by one whether these are magnetic or not. These are paper clips. This is bar magnet. Let's see. Paper clips are attracted by the bar magnet. So, paper clips are magnetic materials. These are nails made up of iron. These are attracted by the magnet. So, these are also magnetic materials. These are stapler pins made up of steel. These are attracted by the magnet, so these are magnetic materials. These are safety pins made up of steel. Let's check. These are attracted or pulled by the magnet, so these are also magnetic materials. These are iron fillings, obviously made up of iron. These are pulled or attracted by the magnet, so iron fillings are magnetic materials. So all the magnetic materials are made up of iron or steel. We are going to discuss about non-magnetic materials. Materials which cannot be attracted or pulled by magnets are called non-magnetic materials. For example, aluminium, gold, silver, wood, rubber, plastic, cloth, and glass, etc. Let's prove it practically. Non-magnetic materials. All these are non-magnetic materials. Let's check. These bangles are made up of gold. Let's check with the help of magnet. This is bar magnet. These are not attracted by the magnet, so gold is non-magnetic material. This is silver. This one is also not attracted by magnet. So gold, silver are non-magnetic materials. This is rubber. This is also not attracted by the magnet. So rubber is also non-magnetic material. This is aluminium. This is also not attracted by the magnet. So aluminium is also non-magnetic material. This is piece of cloth. This one is also not attracted by the magnet. So cloth is also non-magnetic material. This is wood. This is also not attracted by the magnet. So wood is also non-magnetic material. Plastic. This is plastic scale and it is not attracted by the, this one is not attracted by the magnet. So plastic is also non-magnetic material. These are tins, not attracted by the magnet. So these are non-magnetic materials. Gold, silver, rubber, aluminium, cloth, wood, plastic and aluminium, all these are non-magnetic materials. Thank you.
We are going to focus upon our third point as can magnetic attraction pass through all materials? Non-magnetic materials allow magnetic attraction to pass through them. These include glass, wood, and plastic, etc. Magnetic materials such as iron and steel do not allow magnetic attraction to pass through them.
This is cardboard, which is non-magnetic material, and this is paper clip. Let's see what happens to paper clip when we move bar magnet under the cardboard. So paper clip is also moving when we move the bar magnet under the cardboard. It means that non-magnetic materials allow magnetic attraction to pass through them. Same is there. Now this is piece of glass. If we place this paper clip over the piece of glass and place bar magnet under this glass, which is glass is non-magnetic material. Let's see what happens to paper clip. Paper clip is also moving along the magnet. It means non-magnetic materials allow magnetic attraction to pass through them.
Get ready for homework. Learn and write. Question number 2. What kind of materials can be attracted by magnets? Answer. Magnetic materials like iron and steel can be attracted by magnets? Question number 3. Name some non-magnetic materials. Answer: plastic, wood, paper, cloth, gold, silver, and glass, etc. are non-magnetic materials. Wish you best of luck. Amin. Thank you.